What's poppin' YouTube? As you see, I am back with another video. I know I ain't dropped in like mad long, but you know, I've been trying to get my life together for real, for real. But as you see by today's title, I'm doing a wig install. And yeah, I know in my other video that I did doing like my introduction, somebody was like, can you do more wig installs? But that's what my content goal consists of, as I said in the last video. But yeah, so before we get started, I don't know if I said this, I probably did, but like, comment, subscribe, join the crew, welcome back if you ain't new. But yeah, we're really about to get started because I don't really want my videos to be long until like I start getting big. That's when I want my videos to be long. So I ordered this wig from Amazon. I can actually see when I ordered it. Smokey, please move. I placed it on the 27th, and I did pick up because I was supposed to go back. I go to school at Georgia Southern, so I live in Atlanta, so I'm always going home. So basically what I did was I was afraid that it was going to get dropped off, but I knew if I did pick up, I was going to be able to go get it. So I picked it up at one of these little pickup spots by my crib, but we about to open it. So this is the wig. That's the wig or whatever. I think I've had this brand before. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure that I did have this brand before. But this is I got the wrong wig, y'all. Got the wrong wig, but it's okay. Make sure I got the wrong wig. It don't say on the box, it say 4x4, but I could have sworn I did lace front. I probably did, but with a different company, man. But we still finna get this bit installed, and it's still gonna look good. So honestly, yeah, I'm not gonna install it today because today is November 1st. I'm really gonna install it tomorrow when I get off work, so I can have more time and I can actually be precise on my customization, because normally other times when I do my hair, I do be rushing, but I'm really trying to perfect that craft where I can do my own hair. So here I'm opening a box, and I ordered from this company before, I can't recall, but all in the box that really came was the wig cap, and the wig really ain't that special for real. But I'm gonna unpackage the wig for y'all. As y'all see, it looked good from in the package. You know, I'm a little excited because I ain't had my hair done in so long. But that's the wig cap. It come with two, but I already had a wig cap, but I think I did use those. Can't remember. We gonna see though. It's okay. But all wigs that I ordered from Amazon, they come with the wig cap. You see the wave pattern in the wig. Cause yeah, bouncy. Yeah, that's really it about the packaging and stuff. The hair was really soft. Hey, look at me, I'm excited or whatever. But hair was soft. Pattern was real cute. It wasn't as full, but it's okay though. It's supposed to be transparent, but as you can tell that it really wasn't. But right now what I'm doing is I'm prepping the dome to get ready to bleach the knots. And when I bleach the knots, I do use 30 volume, which I will see in a second. But I use 30 volume, and I was on a budget when I was doing this install. So I had bought 2 little packets of the bleach powder, and I bought the 30 volume because they ain't really have no other volumes or no smaller bottles. I normally get a smaller bottle, but they ain't really have that. So yeah, I'm prepping it and stuff, combing it back. That's the volume that I was talking about. That bit probably like, I don't know, it was a lot, but that's the packet I was talking about though. I think that packet was like $3.99. I bought 2. It was like $2.99. I don't know. And then you need a bowl, and you need a little brush to mix it with. And yeah, that's really it. But when I do my mixing, I try to get like a solid type of mixture. I don't really like it like liquidy, because if it's real liquidy to like it's dripping and stuff, it can run through and then it's gonna get on the hair. So I try to do mine. Yeah, that bleach, you're gonna need some gloves and jump. It be burning my eyes too. But with bleaching the knots, I made mine look kind of like stiff. Like I add a little bit and then I pour the developer in there, and then I add as I keep going to see what like the texture is, because I like mine to be like, I don't know how to say it, but like not watery basically, so it won't bleach through and bleach the hair, because then I'm gonna be mad if it bleach the hair. But see, that's how much I put in here. Then I'm just mixing it, and then I'm just gonna keep adding until like I get the perfect mixture that I want really. See, like right there, it's a little watery, it's too drippy. So I'm gonna add some more. But, yeah. So right here is about like where I needed it to be, so it's not too drippy or too solid to the point where it wasn't gonna go on there. But that's kind of how I like it. I wanted it a little more solider, but I was fucking with that one too. So this just me basically like applying it. I lightly apply it, but I do apply hella though. Like I use the whole bowl just to make sure like I do it all around. But you see it's not like falling off or dripping down the dome head or anything like that. So I do go over the areas like more than once. I let it sit on there for about, I'm gonna say 10 to 15 minutes, or it depends on the volume that you get though, because I really wait till it get like foamy, and when like I know that it's getting foamy, that means it's been on there for a minute. It's time to take it off, because when you bleach it, the longer the bleach sit, the more it foam. But right now I'm showing y'all how it look. It did kind of seep through. I did kind of leave it on a little too long, but it was okay because I could fix it. But right here I'm just really like rinsing it off. After I rinse it off, I'm gonna wash the part that I put on my head and the part that I put makeup on, so like the lace. I'm just gonna wash that down in conditioner really, and to make sure like all that product not on there or it seep through my head, bleach my scalp, whatever the case may be. I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't know the science behind it. I just make sure that I clean it, make sure all the stuff off. And yeah, that's really it. That's what it look like when all the stuff is off. Yeah, lace period. That's the conditioner that I use. I use a different conditioner every time. My mom's a hairstylist, so normally when I do my hair, I go to her hair salon and I do my hair in her salon, which I have basically all the good products and the best ones. But you know, I had to thug it out because I'm at school, so I'm doing my thing at school. Right here, I really just like plucking it. It already came pre-plucked, and I did kind of pluck the front a little bit off camera. I forgot to record it because like it's really hard trying to do something and record at the same time, especially something you're serious about, and I don't want to fuck it up. But excuse my language though. But yeah, this me plucking it. I'm really just detailing the middle, even though I'm gonna use some black spray to like make sure the line's straight. But this is how I do my part to make sure like, oh yeah, this is straight. Dang, I'm stuttering. But this is how I do my part to make sure that like it's straight in the middle, to be honest. And y'all see like the parts that like bleached a little bit, but it's okay because you know, I can fix it. But here I always, in every wig that I get, I always add like an extra bundle in to make it look like fuller, because this was supposed to be 150 density, but I don't know, I just something about full hair that I love. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going in and I'm adding tracks. My mom used to sell hair, so I still got, well, she don't sell hair no more, so we still got a whole bunch of little packs left. So every time I get a wig, I go in and I add some tracks in there. So that's what you see me doing, putting glue on there, measuring it, you know how you add tracks in. I'm like, boom. And I still got a towel underneath, so I won't put glue on the dome. And yeah, that's really it to it for that. So here is really me like combing it and parting it the way I want it, but I finished putting in all the tracks and I absolutely love how full it looks. And this is like with half the hair wet and half of it not, because I did add almost the whole bundle. I probably could have put like 2 or 3 more tracks to use the whole bundle, but you see how it looked like. It looks so good, and it looked more full than it did at first. And just like, I don't know, look at it, like you see the pattern, like it looked good to me. But that's the finished product of me adding in the tracks. After I added in the tracks, I really did this like on the first, and then I installed the wig the next day because I had to take out my hair, and whew, that took me a little minute to take out. So that's the hair. Next thing you know, we finna install it. I always put 2 caps on because I know my head sweat a lot, so I be trying to make sure I don't sweat because I go to the gym, so it's just like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I don't do the ball cap method when I do closures. I only do the ball cap method when I do frontals. I feel like it's pointless doing the ball cap method when you're doing the closure because you're only using the lace for like, depending on if it's a 4x4 or 5x5 or 6x6, but for the other amount of inches. That's really it. Look at me being excited. I was so ready to put that. Excuse me, I'm always putting the middle finger up, but yeah, what I'm doing here is like cleaning my forehead so the glue can be on there and the makeup and the whole time that I'm doing this YouTube video, I'm making a TikTok. But this is the makeup that I use. I use this, and it's another one. It's a concealer that y'all will see later on in the video. But I'm doing a TikTok and I'm making a YouTube video at the same time. So that was really kind of hard and challenging for me, but it's okay because I made it work. But this is me putting on the makeup. It may not look like it blends, but I'm using like 3 different colors to try to blend because there's no makeup that matches my actual skin color. So I use like 3-4 different colors. I usually have this powder that I use, but I can't find it. My mama had that powder for a long time, and I don't know where she got it from. And she said she don't remember because how long she had it. So that's the pro concealer that I was talking about. It's more of a liquidy type of thing. So after I put the makeup on, I do my like meltdown where I put my glue at. The brand that I'm using was Ghost Bond, but I normally don't use Ghost Bond. I use this lace glue by this girl named Dayla. Her Instagram is like Dayla Doll. She got YouTube too, so y'all go shout her. I don't know if she still sell it, but I know she do glueless wigs now and stuff like that. But I was using that glue for a long time, and it was waterproof glue. I think that was the reason why I did it, because I used to go out of town. And who's going out of town not looking like a bad bitch? What? That's crazy. And I want to get my hair wet and I'm be a bad bitch with my long bundle. So look, I needed some waterproof glue, and that was the only one I knew that was waterproof, because I know I went out of town 1 year to get my hair done. I mean, I went out of town 1 year and I had got my hair done with Ghost Bond, and it just did not stick. And I was so mad because my hair was fucked up the whole trip. But here, all I did was put the same stuff that I put on my head on the wig so it can blend and not be looking weird. Now I'm putting the wig on. Yeah, but shout out Dayla for the glue though. I did use 3 layers. I applied it and then I just let it sit. But other than that, I normally do 1 layer of glue, then 1 layer of even spray, then 1 layer of glue, then 1 layer of even spray, just to make sure that it don't hold. But I use it with the other glue, the glue that the girl Dayla was selling, not Ghost Bond. I don't know how that would work. But here, this is just me combing it back, making sure it's sticking to my scalp or whatever. You know, I gotta look like a cute girl. I was really focused doing this because I was actually doing it on my phone, because I was doing a TikTok, as I keep saying. But yeah, versus normally I'm at a hair salon doing my hair or in a bigger bathroom. Okay, cool. Here, this just really me feeling myself, because while I'm in the middle of doing my hair, I be feeling like the baddest bitch on earth. Like, I don't care what nobody say. I be feeling like can't nobody top me even with my hair halfway done. But now I'm putting on the wig band. I normally leave it on there for like 10-15 minutes. It really depends. I also use a blow dryer sometimes. I'll use the heat then the cool, then heat then the cool, just so it can really settle. I let it sit on there. Or sometimes I just let it sit for about 30 minutes and then I take it off if I don't use a blow dryer. But this time I didn't use a blow dryer and I let it sit for about 20-30 minutes because I was on TikTok doing all type of stuff. But look at the cutie. Cute with the wig band on. Come on, let's be for real. But then I'm finna take it off and then I'm finna cut it. I started cutting this thing down on my phone, but I was like, oh no, I need to get up because I ain't trying to mess up this lace. You know what I'm saying? So I got up, cut it, came back, and then y'all seen the bad way that I was. As I said before, I don't know how to do it. You see my face? I was looking like, oh, I need to get up. But this is after I got up and I did what I did. Y'all see the lace. Boom. Just that simple, me feeling myself again. That's really, I love myself for real. So I just, think I'm the prettiest on earth. Yeah. But now I'm finna put on, it's like a Kiersten. I don't forgot. My mom bought me that for Christmas one year. She hairstyle. She give me all type of hair stuff. But this is like a wax stick to make your top of your hair flat. So I was using that, and while I was using the wax stick, I also used the hot comb on top of that. Some people don't use wax stick, they just use a hot comb. But I use both because I want my junk to look a certain way. And I try to mold it. So I try to mold it a certain way with the wax stick. And then I do a little extra mold with the hot comb. And I feel like the hot comb and the wax stick, they just top it off together and do a good job. Like, boom. Then here, I'm trying to do my edges. I'm not the best at edges. That's what I'm still working on. I'm working on really everything. But the edges, one edge be looking better than the other. One be further than the other. One be perfect. One be far away. I just really can't do the edges. I got up too because I had to go do the edges. But this is the final product. And as you see, I look like a bad bitch. And y'all see, look, scalpy. Y'all know, don't play with it. I just want to say thanks for watching this video. And this is the final results. I really don't want to like weight it too much. I just really want it like this. I really like it like this because I feel that I'm so pretty. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you got something from this video. I hope that I taught you a lesson. I don't normally do my stuff here, as I said before, but I'm at school. The bathroom, so the bathroom not really that big. Sorry, my camera died, and I be using a lot of different products, as y'all can see. But I hope you enjoy. Come back, follow my social medias, and tell me what content y'all want to.